Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying scope and keywords. This saves hours. Once done, collect author affiliations, funding details, and ideal publication timelines so you can filter journals accurately. Next, open Web of Science and the Clarivate JCR list, plus your institutional library tools. Make sure to use specific keywords and subject categories when searching. That yields Sci-Indexed candidates right away. This step gets you from vague idea to a short list of journals to evaluate in depth. Now evaluate each candidate for fit and credibility. Use journal citation reports to confirm Sci-Indexing, impact factor, and quartile. These metrics show visibility and audience. Then scan recent issues to ensure methods and article types match your paper. Also examine the editorial board, average review times, and open access or APC policies so there are no surprises. Once you compare these factors across journals, rank your list by match, prestige, and likelihood of acceptance. Finish by tailoring the manuscript to the chosen journal's author guidelines. Format figures, references, and write a concise cover letter explaining novelty. Make sure suggested reviewers fit the scope and that preprint or copyright rules are acceptable. Submit and monitor the tracking system for decisions. If you receive revisions, address each comment precisely. If rejected, take reviewer feedback, revise, and submit to your next ranked Sci journal. Troubleshooting tip: if indexing status or scope is unclear, contact the editorial office before submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.